Just as mechanical keyboards attract attention for their durability and performance, toolboxes are essential for DIYers, mechanics, and professionals who value organization and reliability. With demand growing for compact, high-capacity, and mobile solutions, this guide evaluates top toolboxes based on durability, storage capacity, portability, lockability, and overall value. Whether you're setting up a home garage or need mobile storage for the job site, these toolboxes are built to keep your gear protected and accessible. List number 8. Drawer Rolling Tool Chest. High-capacity 2-in-1 portable toolbox. The 8-drawer rolling tool chest is a beast of a storage solution for serious tool collectors. This 2-in-1 unit includes a top toolbox that lifts off for portable access and a lower rolling chest for heavy-duty storage. With 8 lockable drawers and a large bottom cabinet, it can house everything from sockets to power tools. The drawers glide smoothly and are lined to protect tools and reduce noise. List King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit Toolbox with Drawer. The King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit is the ultimate starter set for homeowners and DIYers. It includes virtually every hand tool you need: ratchets, screwdrivers, pliers, Allen wrenches, and more, organized neatly in a compact toolbox with an integrated drawer. Built for both general home and auto repair, this kit is a true all-in-one solution. The chrome-plated tools resist corrosion, and each piece has a snug place in the molded interior. List number UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag. 15-inch, 16-pocket organizer. If you prefer soft-sided storage, the UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag offers incredible organization and portability in a compact 15-inch format. With 16 total pockets, 10 external and 6 internal, it keeps screwdrivers, pliers, drills, and small parts separated and easy to access. Made with tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, this bag stands up to job site abuse. A reinforced bottom panel prevents sagging and keeps your tools protected. Its wide-open mouth design allows for fast loading and retrieval. List number DeWalt T-Stack Toolbox Extra Large with Removable Tray. The DeWalt T-Stack Toolbox is part of a modular system designed for customization and mobility. This extra large toolbox features a deep main compartment, a removable tray, and side latches that connect securely to other T-Stack components. Built from impact-resistant plastic with metal latches, this toolbox delivers durability without being overly heavy. The removable tray is perfect for storing fasteners or hand tools, while the open space below accommodates larger items like drills or sanders. List number 5. Craftsman Toolbox Lockable 20-inch with tray and small parts storage. Compact yet capable, the Craftsman 20-inch toolbox is a classic hard case that combines simplicity with smart storage. It features a removable interior tray and built-in organizers on the lid for screws, bolts, and bits. Made of durable plastic with metal latches and a padlock-ready design, it's secure and long-lasting, ideal for hand tools and lightweight power tools. This toolbox is great for home users, hobbyists, and on-the-go technicians. Its compact size makes it easy to store under workbenches or in vehicles.